Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto G60S, and today I would like to show you how you can install and apply iOS launcher on this Android device. Firstly, open Play Store, tap on the search bar and type in iOS launcher. Following that, install Sorry, click this free app from this developer and open it. Now wait for the pop-ups to show up, and when they do, choose Allow. Finally, you can click Home button, choose iOS launcher, tap on Always, OK, and got it. As you can see, Apple layout was applied successfully on my device. But you can also go back to device settings, choose apps and notifications, tap on Advanced and tap on Default apps. Over here, when you go into Home app, you can switch between iOS launcher and Android one. If you wish to go back into the default one, tap on Moto app. And in order to try Apple one, just tap on iOS. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!